to Legacy Villa! Legacy Villa is a ready-to-build property, giving you instant ownership and long-term value. Legacy Villa offers more than just land. We offer a lifestyle where tranquility meets with opportunity. Build your future in a place that lets you unwind, recharge, and build a legacy for generations to come. This estate is 10 minutes drive from Avu Junction, 2 minutes drive from Obosima Market, 5 minutes drive from Imo State Automobile Market, and very close to Nigerian Medical Doctors Association Estate. With an initial deposit of 2 million naira, you can secure yourself a buy and build plot at Legacy Villa. And with just an initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can secure yourself an acre of land at Legacy Villa.